we had 3 factors why we can open a deal, and it worked. Hi everyone guys, welcome back, and today it's our another trading video. We start trading with $7,380 on balance, and we increased our balance on a half of it in the previous video using 2 indicators, Bollinger Bands. This is how this indicator looks like, and our stochastic indicator, which shows oversold and overbought zones. So having just $500 as a bet amount, it's about 10% of deposit, will increase our deposit on 50% just in 15 minutes about so. So this video will try to repeat similar result. I'll be betting not more than 10% of my deposit as well, and I think it's more rational, conservative trading, so you can learn how to trade properly, not making money randomly, but get your profits systematically. So there will be more and more videos on my channel, about conservative trading, the ones that most real traders use to make money with. Not those who record a video on YouTube from $1 to $100,000, anything like that. It's more like casino guys, isn't it? Yes, I agree, I have some of such videos too, but I record the most defined audience, so I can teach you further how to trade properly, how to trade correctly. So I won't keep you waiting any longer, and let's move to trading. I'll be explaining you each deal as always, why you open it here or there, and how to make money on trading on binary options. So be sure to watch this video till the end, and I'm sure it's gonna be really interesting and really useful for you. So guys, found a good deal for you with higher. Let me explain you why. Look, if we zoom out the chart, we see a really strong and long uptrend, and trading against the trend in such situation is a really bad idea. So let's open deal with higher here, and to open them we need to find an entry point. This is why we have the middle line of Bollinger channel. It's colored teal. We see that the chart has been touching this line not once and rolling back from it and going upward. So the case is similar here, and we went back to this line. I hope that the uptrend will continue and will earn. So the first deal was closed in a profit, and it was opened on the candle, this one near the middle line. So I keep on opening deals with high here, and I hope the second deal will be closed in a profit too, and the chart will keep growing. Guys, we just closed 2 deals on a trend with a profit. Congratulations! Let's open another currency pair and see what we can do. Let's open one deal with lower here. There are 2 signals to do that. Let's see. Firstly, it's a stochastic indicator. I remind you that everything's higher than 80% is an overbought zone, so we open deals with lower. And everything's lower than 20% is an oversold zone, and we open deals with higher. Now we've opened a deal with lower because our indicator is at 90% level, which is really strong. Besides, there's the upper border of the Bollinger channel here, and we open a deal with higher from the upper line. Okay, and there is a small resistance level here. Look, we can mark it with horizontal line. It's here, and let's do that. And the chart is in this place, and it's this one was rolling back and going lower. Then it's rationally to suppose that in this place same thing will happen. So we get such a result, and we had 3 factors why we opened a deal with lower. We did that and we earned. As you see, it's being analyzed clearly and no guessing around, no casino. It's logically clear and understandable. So we keep on making money. Guys, right now you can get $100 from me. To do that, you need to meet conditions that are seen on screen in front of you. I'll message the winner in Telegram and send him money. Previous winners and transactions are on the screen as well. Let's open a deal with lower here. There was a narrow channel generated and the price is moving back and forth in a zigzag shape, and we got out of the upper border of our channel again. You see, this is how the chart looks like without it. Totally unclear, and now it's much better, guys. We got out of upper border and stochastic is overbought. It's great, and as for signals, we open a deal with lower and wait for the result. So now the deal was close to net profit, really close, but anyways, the small rollback was enough for us to earn. And in general, it's great, as the fourth deal is being close to net profit, and let's keep on trading. Well guys, I think there will be a small rollback from this line because this line is a temporary support. At this place, it was a resistance, so there's an interesting area being formed, and at this point we roll back from the line and from lower channel's border too. Maybe we'll fall even lower right now, but I'm gonna risk and bet less than 10% of my deposit, which with higher. In case of anything, we'll open another two deals lower with higher as well, because the stochastic is in oversold zone. So guys, I opened several deals with higher a little lower because the first deal still closed at a loss, and in total we covered the loss at those two deals which were opened lower, because the chart is in a really oversold zone, and sooner or later it will start going upward. Okay, we bet with higher from here. It's rationally as much as possible, and you know what, I wouldn't recommend you trading with lower, even though we see a not bad downtrend here. But anyways, there are particular factors that make the deal with lower unsafe. And like our indicator, you know, let's risk and open one deal with lower here as we got out of the upper Bollinger Channel's border again. Stochastic is very much oversold, of course, so it's logical. Let's try to catch a small rollback. Great guys, a small rollback down was enough for us to close another deal in a profit. So let's open literally one or two deals and summarize trading results for today. Guys, we see a bull absorption pattern here. It's a pattern that's being formed mostly on support lines. Here there's bottom line of our Bollinger Channel, and we see a green candle that fully covers the right one with its size. You know, absorbs it, in other words. So the pattern is called bull absorption, and bull 1 is for showing further growth. So after the growing candle, we open a deal with higher right away, and the next candle is gonna be green as well. Moreover, our indicator is in oversold zone, it's clear and reasonable, and we just wait. Well, the deals closed and it's disappointing, to be honest, unclear in what way. The candle was green, but it seems the entry point was little later after the candle opening. So the signal surely worked itself out, but it's hard as the deal was a loss. But it's fine, we'll try to fix it right now. So guys, great! Two deals opened right after a loss, bring us a profit, and our balance is almost $10,000 right now. And let's finish our trading session on that right now, as we've earned more than $2.50 of clear profit, and it's still a good profit for me, guys. Take into consideration that we've been trading no more than 20 minutes. So I hope I managed to show you a representative work of our two favorite indicators. I've been trading on those indicators using this strategy for a long time, and I have a big experience, so I'm ready to share it with you in my each video. I hope it was interesting for you to watch, and the link to pocketoption platform where we've been trading today is in description. You can also sign up, register your account, and repeat strategy after me to earn your money. But if you don't want to mess with strategies or with learning, you can just trade on my automatically sending signals that are most 50 in a day on my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel in the description as always. So guys, just follow it and learn the details. You can get to this channel for free. So don't miss this opportunity. Go there right now, subscribe, message me to get your access. And that's it for today. The next video will be on a similar format. Maybe I'll record some other conversational videos that you really loved. I'll tell you some interesting stories about someone losing money, someone earning money. So in general, I don't say goodbye for long because we'll meet really soon in my next video. But before you go, a quick reminder for my dear traders. If you're a beginner, if you're not very good at trading on binary options, I recommend you to watch the video right here. And if you want to start trading with profitable signals that have already been tested, follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel. And if you want to be aware of the most profitable and reliable strategies, watch the video right here. That's it. Bye!